cutting, bending, flaring, reducing. Are you still using traditional methods to process pipes? Low efficiency, high waste, and unstable quality? A solution trusted by more than 80 countries around the world. BOBO Pipe Processing Machine. One machine, multiple uses, easy to operate, cutting, pipe bending, flaring, end forming, all completed in one step with automation. Compared with traditional processes, BOBO improves efficiency by 3 times and reduces waste rates to less than 1%. Widely used in HVAC, automotive manufacturing, home appliance industries, etc. Why do world-renowned companies choose BOBO? Because we are professional and trustworthy. Modular design, flexible customization. Whether for small batches or large-scale production, BOBO can easily adapt. Intelligent monitoring, stable operation, ensuring 24-hour uninterrupted production. BOBO Pipe Processing Machine, providing precise, efficient, and stable solutions for customers worldwide. Want to upgrade your production line?